Everyone, Akash here. If you recently start losing hair, or you lost already 30% of your hair, or you start seeing some bald spot on your and you're not sure what to do, this video is for you. I've been through the same situation myself for like last few years, and I struggle when I go online and check a lot of different products. They promise so many different things, but you're not sure which one gonna work for you, which one is not gonna work for you, what your hair situation is. So I made it very simple for you to personally use many products that personally helped me over the year, and I regrew some back hair and those bald spot I had, especially over here I had it. You see in the pictures. So the reason I'm gonna review right now Neo Hair Lotion and Lanbena. People always ask me, do I use Neo Hair Lotion or should I use Lanbena? Which one should I use? But if you're not sure, I personally use both, and I'll show you exactly what would be the best way you could use those two effectively. Because you're thinking just gonna get one product and everything gonna be fine. No, you need a really good hair oil, and also if you could get a supplement, I'll show you another video if you stick around. Very cheap supplement that you could use it, take it daily, and that's gonna really help you, not only your hair, it's gonna help your skin, also it's gonna help your nail, and also you're hardly gonna get any pimple if you use it. It's man or women both could use it. So let's start with the Neo Hair Lotion. The frequently people ask me a question, hey, when will be the best time I should use it? Remember one thing, when your hair is dry, that's the time you're gonna use it. If you're thinking, everybody is different, some people take a shower in the morning, afternoon, evening. So let's say you take a shower in the morning, you finish taking a shower, your hair is bone dry, you shake it well, you open the cap, you shake it well, and you spray it wherever you need it and comb your hair when your hair is bone dry. Some people ask me, can I use it twice a day? Yes, you could use it twice a day. If you're using it in the morning, just give 8-hour gaps, at least 8-hour gaps, then use it in the afternoon, but make sure your hair is dry when you're using it. And so that's the best way to use it, and a lot of people get a really good result using this. But again, I said not only one thing gonna do it. You need enough nutrition for your hair, and a lot of things you need. Again, if you're not sure about a lot of things, you could always go on my all hair growth product, my channel, and you could always go and check the detailed video of many products depending on your hair situation, 10%, 20%, 30%, or this product I would recommend if you already lost more than 30% of your hair, you start seeing some bald spot and you're not sure what to do, you're struggling about it, definitely you're gonna get this. And people ask me, where can I get it? I have the link in description box. If you are in United States, you could just click the link and you'll get it right there. It's on sale. Any product I talked about it, I always put the link, but link only gonna work in the United States. If you're in other countries, then you have to go on your local online store, whoever your big local online store, and you could check it there. Or if you have available to Amazon in your country, you could check it there. Definitely that should help. But that's like I said, if you're in the United States, you could just go in the link and you could just get it. So the Lanbena, you use in a shampoo. So let's say you have a shampoo in home, any shampoo that you personally use it. Again, if you're gonna use shampoo, I would say the go for the shampoo has a less chemical, like a baby shampoo is good. I have a detailed video about baby shampoo too. You could check it out on my channel. So let's say there is a shampoo. This is CVS. This is pure ginger shampoo. If you're interested to get it, you could always get it in a link I have in the description box. But any shampoo you're using right now, you could use any shampoo you have that you like. You get this Lanbena, it's pretty cheap. It's pure ginger, and there is some other natural ingredients in it. So you put, like, I would say put 4 drops in 10-ounce shampoo, 4 drops. If you get a 20-ounce shampoo, put 8 drops. If you have a 30-ounce shampoo, put 12 drops. So it's like every 10-ounce shampoo you put 4 drops in it. So that's how you pour it in and shake it well, and that's how it is. How this help you? Neo Hair Lotion is gonna help you using it once a day. I use it once a day or twice a day. It's all natural ingredients in it. It helps you blood flow on your skull, pump, and also this ginger with the shampoo you're using helps you regrow your hair fast. So especially the places you have a really thin little hair, it's gonna help you to regrow those faster, give you enough nutrition and everything you need to regrow those small hairs. So that's how it helps. Again, like I said, one thing not gonna work for you. You have to few thing combination. And I always say, if you're using a hair gel or something, make sure the one with alcohol free, chemical free, that's the hair gel you're gonna use, and try to use as less possible. And let's talk about oil. If you're gonna do those two and you thinking every morning when you wake up you seeing your hair on the pillow and you see a lot of hair falling off, and you see why I'm losing hair so fast, this is a parachute oil. This is a coconut 100% pure parachute oil. If this is not available to you, you go in your local store, look for 100% pure coconut oil. This one I have the link in description box. You could always get it from there. It's cheap. But if you don't find it, this like wherever you are, it's not available, go for 100% pure coconut oil. That should definitely help. So then this is, you use it overnight. So let's see, if you like you have a day off tomorrow, you could use it like, if you're really losing hair a lot, every morning you wake up or every time you take a shower you see a lot of hair falling off, I would say use this 3 times a week, like overnight. So like if you're thinking you're gonna take a shower in the morning, use it overnight. Make sure you put something on the pillow because it's a coconut oil. You don't want the oil to get on your pillow or anything, so put it like a towel or something. Use it overnight. You're gonna see immediate difference when you use this. In the morning when you're gonna wake up, you're gonna see less and less hair fall. That's very important because you're using new hair lotion to like to your hair to regrow, new hair to regrow. You're using Lanbena to help you all the small hair you have to regrow. Now you're using this to make sure you don't have a hair fall, you don't lose too much hair. You're growing hair and make sure you're losing less and less and less hair. Use it 3 times first when you started, 3 times a week. Then you see your hair is improving, then you could use it once a week, depend on your hair situation. And people always ask me, can I stop using once I have recovered my hair, can I stop using it? I would say use it less, but still use it. Like let's say in your hair lotion you use it for a few months, it really helped you, your bald spot not showing anymore, then you could use this once a week. You could use shampoo. This is like very cheap and you could always use it, and it's pure ginger, no side effect, and the hair coconut 100% pure oil, that's not gonna hurt you at all. So those are natural thing. You could always use it, but when your hair recover, use it less and less and less, but continue using it. This is how your hair get all the nutrition it needs, and it's gonna continue to have a good healthy hair. So now this is a Nature Bounty like a biotin hair, it's a vitamin supplement. Okay, it's very cheap. You could go to any of, if you're in North America or any other, I'm sure it's widely available. This is like #1 seller in the United States. There was a point #1 seller. So this is support your healthy hair, skin and nail. It's very important for all the 100, because we always have food that doesn't have enough nutrition that our body needs for everything, for our skin, our hair, our like nails. So what it does, it it helps you make sure you get enough nutrition. So I used to get a lot of pimples on my face. I take this like 3 years now. It's like a vitamin supplement. It has no side effect, so you could just take one every day after a meal, in the morning if you feel like to take it, afternoon and night, whenever you want to take it. I notice like I hardly get any pimple on my face anymore. That helps me. It helps me need to get all the nutrition for my hair, also for my nail. So why not? So definitely it's under, like, it's probably $7-8, and it's got 120 120 tablets in it. So like this is how it's gonna look like. So how it's gonna look like, it's very small, 120 of them. So if you get one, it's good for 3 months because you're taking only one a day. So hair back, it does not work that way. Simply doesn't work that way. It's a long process. You don't lose your hair overnight, and it's not gonna come back overnight. You're gonna see a small improvement using combination of all those things, and you have to continue using it. If this video, any point, if you think this video deserves a thumbs up, please, that would really help me my channel. And